Cut mask out of image with certain pixel margin number PY Opencv. I am playing around with the mask RCNN in this URL segmentation program that is trained on the COCO dataset. It detects persons, along with many other objects that I further neglect, in an image and returns one or multiple person masks, i.e. Boolean number PY arrays containing true values for all pixels that are classified as a person and false values for all other pixels. So an inputted image, uint8 array of shape, 3900, 2922, 3, becomes a mask, Boolean array of shape, 3900, 2922, or multiple masks when multiple persons are detected in the picture. Now I can use this mask to cut the person out of the image with some simply number PY array indexing. This returns the following image. Since the masks that are returned by the mask RCNN program are quite tight, I would like to add a margin of a few pixels, let's say 15 px, so that I get something like this. Which number py/opencv functions can I leverage to cut out the mask from the original image, similar to np.where, adding a margin of 15 pixels around the mask.
The function you are looking for is the cv2.filter2d. I wrote a short demo for you. First we create a demo mask, which contains a square in the middle. Then we create our kernel for the filter2d function. I used the size 32 to get the desired padding of 15 pixel. Just for demoing I display the image with the following code. Hope it helps.
You may use cv2.dilate morphological operation for widening the mask. Sample code that loads a mask and widens the mask. Mask. New underscore mask.
One method to do this is to use cv2.dilate to increase the surface area of the mask. Depending on your mask shape, you can create varying structuring element shapes and sizes with cv2.getStructureEngelment. For instance, if your mask shape is rectangular you might want to use cv2.morph_rect, or if your mask shape is circular you can use cv2.morph_ellipse. In addition, you can change the kernel size and the number of iterations to dilate. After dilating the mask, you can use cv2.bitwise_rand to get your result. Here's a minimum reproducible example. Original image.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.